Get ready for flawless coverage that lasts all day and night with NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Pale. This creamy concealer is perfect for concealing, brightening under the eyes, and highlighting with its inclusive range of shades that match the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. With a waterproof, matte finish, this contouring concealer delivers full coverage that lasts for 24 hours, so you can go about your day and night with confidence. Complete your makeup look with our full line of face products, including concealer, blush, bronzer, foundations, and contouring palettes and powders. All of our makeup is certified and acknowledged by PETA as a cruelty-free brand, so you can feel good about using our products that are not tested on animals. Discover NYX Professional Makeup today and try all of our professional makeup products, including eyeshadow, eyeliner, false lashes, liquid lipstick, lip gloss, primer, setting sprays, and eyebrow makeup. Get ready for flawless, long-lasting coverage with NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer.